What's up? This your boy Carolina, aka also the Game Master, and I'm here in Pensacola, Florida, and I'm here checking out the Wal-Mart. So let's see what's going on.
Have a great day.
Yeah, so far I'm inside, so here to go. This is a big old Walmart. Cash registers fill up. So you can tell this Walmart is packed.
Sorry about the wait, y'all.
One into the other. Yeah, boy, Pensacola, Florida has a big Walmart. This ain't no super Walmart, this is super Walmart. Somebody cleaning up on that aisle.
Oh, I'm sorry. I
Uh-huh.
ain't even looking. Come on, look at this video.
But then then again, it's the first of the month, so you know what I'm saying, people stocking up on food and stuff, getting the food stamps and stuff. Right here. Going towards the electronics. See what's going on over here. Like I said, this is the biggest Walmart that I've seen. You know, for a super Walmart, and this is Pensacola Walmart in Pensacola, Florida. It's the electronics right here. It's my favorite part of electronics. Yeah, but I'm just, showing y'all some parts of Walmart. You know, I go in different Walmarts, like when I go to another state or whenever I go to another city or something, I like to show you what's what. You know what I'm saying? So this just is a little tour of Pensacola, Florida Walmart. Or, you know, I like to call it Pepsi-Cola. You know what I'm saying? Because they sound just like Pensacola, Pepsi-Cola. But, yep. This is Pensacola, Florida Walmart, Super Walmart. It's a big store. But anyway, this boy Carolina, aka Game Master. Like, comment, subscribe, and I love y'all. Peace.